Hey there guys, this is Michael here, and today we're going to be hooking up an Atari Jaguar. So here is an instructional video on how to hook up an Atari Jaguar. First up, you need the system, a test game. Today's test game is Ultra Vortec. You need an AC adapter, an RF connection. Now, in order to get this RF connection up there, you need one of these old style VHS's. Well, luckily for me, I got a VHS. And then I got all the other games right here, such as Pitfall, Doom, Charlie McFur, Zool 2, Tempest 2000, and Iron Soldier. Got the controller, and that's it. So right now we're going to be hooking up an Atari Jaguar. Okay, so first up, you're going to need to find a safe spot for the Jaguar. So open this up, find an empty room space like this right here. Get your Atari Jaguar and place it there. Make sure it's straight. There. Now what you're going to do is that you're going to take the RF connection and go plug it into the Jaguar. Now I only got one hand for this, so I might cut off. So, yep, just wait for until I get done. Hello there guys, welcome back. And sorry for the outbreak. I managed to plug it in. You can barely see it. Yep, it's plugged in there really tightly. And now we're going to get the connection. Now we're going to go to our VHS, and we're going to close this for a minute. Now go to your VHS, and you can see two bullets right here, or if your VHS tape has two bullets. Connect this end to each other end. Should be in there. Now I'm going to take this out and unwrap it. Hold on for a second. Okay, so I unplugged it, due for that little short break. And we're going to connect it now. Let's see. Ah, here it is. Okay. Plugged it in. So now let's turn on our TV, and that's it. That's all for the Atari Jaguar. Now we'll go find the right video connection. Video 1, that's where it is. So let's turn on our VHS. Oh, on language. Yeah, don't want that. There. Now it's at channel 1. Now there is a channel switcher right here. Right now, before I had it on channel 4. Now switched it, got on channel 3. But I usually go for channel 4 because channel 4 is best. Yep, got on channel 4. Now let's plug our game in. Ultra Vortec. Let's get the controller. Let's plug in the system. Hey, Brother John.
What's been going on in here?
Making a video.
Oh, okay. Hi, video. I'm his brother, Jonathan Corino. I gotta go pick up the dog crap. I'll be right back. I gotta go clean the yard. I'll be back, okay?
Okay.
I love you.
John's gonna go pick up some dog crap.
Bye. Love you.
My brother John, such a nice guy. Okay, so plug it in there. All set. So let's test out the Atari Jaguar. You might put this on because the intro's way extreme. Turn it on. Ooh. And it works. Works good. Condo with one hand. Choose Volcano. Yeah, pause it because you go watch me play Ultra Vortex. Okay, this won't work. Anyways, thanks for watching. Till next time, I'll go be playing some Ultra Vortex.